Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning we're visiting with Katelyn Hawkins. She's from the Kentucky Beef Council. Good morning, Katelyn.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
I'm so glad you're here, Katelyn, because today we are talking burgers.
Yes, it's a burger bonanza. It's a burger blowout. It's summer grilling. However you want to look at it, we're bringing the party.
When it comes to burgers, the options are seriously endless, and you're going to show us a few ways that we can assemble our burgers today.
Yes, so we've got a lot going on the table, but it's very colorful and it's really exciting. Over in front of you, we've got some of our traditional burger toppings. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles. It's a bread and butter pickle, so it's different from a dill. We've got some kind of butter lettuce instead of just an iceberg. We've got some sauces, so we've got a nice pre-made burger sauce that we just bought at the grocery store, a chimichurri sauce that you can easily make at home, and this sauce that I'm really excited about, which is an onion jam.
Yeah, I am so excited about that because I've never had it, and like you said earlier, caramelized onions do take some time to prepare, so this kind of gives us that flavor. Now quickly tell us, what is in this chimichurri sauce?
Chimichurri is going to be parsley, cilantro, red pepper flake, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and garlic.
Now, Katelyn, I see that we have some really good plate over there. What is on that?
I love cheese.
Me
so
too.
This is my kind of plate right here. We've got pepper jack to spice things up a little bit, a Gouda, and then pimento cheese. We are in the South. Everybody has their wonderful pimento cheese recipe. Put it on a burger.
I love whenever a burger has pimento cheese.
Yep.
Throw a little jam on it. I think this onion jam would be so good. All right, Katelyn, how are we going to prepare our burgers today?
So we're going to do a little bit of a twist on a classic burger, and then we're going to step outside the box and get a little fresh with a burger with a lettuce wrap. As we start here on this side, we've got just a brioche bun, a nice hearty bun. You've got some lettuce, our 80-20 ground beef patty, a Gouda cheese slice instead of an American cheese, a tomato, and we're going to top our bun with some of this rich burger sauce. Now, this is a pre-made burger sauce, but you can make one at home with some mayonnaise, relish, ketchup, mustard, however you like to top your burger, and then just stick that on there and enjoy.
The great thing about having a burger bar like this, because that's essentially what it is, is that every person can assemble their burger the way that they want.
They can, and you can do all sorts of fun toppings, and everybody gets a little bit to enjoy and have fun. My 7-year-old nephew loves to make his own things, so this is perfect for him.
We have taco bars, and so I love the idea of a burger bar, especially for summertime grilling.
Yep.
All right, so now I see that we have some lettuce. Katelyn, I think this is a great option for anyone who might have a gluten allergy, or maybe someone who is simply just trying to eat a little bit lighter.
Yeah, you want something a little bit fresh. It may look a little naked right now, but what we're going to do is take 2 of our lettuce leaves, put that under our patty, and then on top of this, you could put some cheeses. I'm going to grab pepper jack cheese because I love a nice little spice. And then I'm also going to utilize this wonderful onion jam because I like some sweetness, and the onion pairs so nicely. So we'll put some of that on. The trick is going to be wrapping your burger. Now, I use a lot of different lettuce leaves to do this. And I'm just going to fold that around. Make sure you've got a nice sturdy lettuce to get a good base. And then you would just bite right into that and enjoy.
And you've got just a good fresh option. You could even use multiple types of cheeses if you want to. All right, Katelyn, so let's walk through what we have. We have several different types of cheeses. We've got that pimento cheese. I think that's such a fun option. And then, we've got the chimichurri sauce. And then this was just a burger sauce.
Yep, just a pre-made burger sauce that we bought at the grocery store. We've also got some guacamole over here. If you want to take it a little south of the border with some pepper jack cheese, you could put it on a tortilla and maybe toast that tortilla around that burger. And then, of course, we've got bacon, because who doesn't love a bacon cheeseburger?
Right. I think I probably will put that on my burger next time. Now, Katelyn, if someone needs recipe inspiration, can they contact you all?
Of course, you can go to kybeef.com. We've got all sorts of recipes, grilling tips, information about cuts of beef. Follow along on our social media at KYBeef on Facebook and Instagram. We're posting all sorts of stuff throughout the summer grilling season.
Wonderful. Katelyn, thank you so much for being with us today. If you're watching and need more recipe inspiration, be sure to contact your local extension office or the Kentucky Beef Council. Have a great day.